Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 90 of the cutest strawberry themed crochet patterns. All of these patterns are free, so if you're interested in any of them, you can find them in the description. And while I'm showing you all of the patterns, I'm going to be working on my strawberry kitty. The first category are stitches, and while there are only 3 patterns in this category, you can use them to make so many different things. We're starting with the viral strawberry stitch, which has a really good tutorial, and you can be very creative with what you make with it. Next, we have 2 different granny square patterns, which both look super cute and would look really good as a blanket or a bag. Our next category is amigurumi, and we have some very cute patterns for this one. To start off, we have a couple of basic strawberries, which are super easy to make, and are great keychains. Next, we have this giant strawberry by Hey Crochet, which would be a super cute pillow. These adorable strawberry hearts can be found for free on Ravelry. And then we also have these 2 different chocolate covered strawberry patterns, as well as these 3 different strawberry buddies. And then finally we have these 2 super cute strawberry cakes. Next up we have our largest category, which are a bunch of adorable strawberry themed animals. First up we have the strawberry kitty pattern, which is the pattern I'm working on in this video, and I absolutely recommend it. And next we have these 2 strawberry cows, and I really love their different accessories. We also have these 2 strawberry bears, which I'd never seen before but absolutely love. There is also this adorable panda, this incredibly creative strawberry triceratops, this cute bunny, and we have these 3 very cute characters. I love this little raccoon, and I definitely need to make one. Next we have the super adorable strawberry chick and penguin. These strawberry frogs are really cute and round, and I really love this tiny bee resting on a strawberry. We also have an octopus, a chubby mushroom, a kiwi, a regular and mini size turtle, a dog, a rat and a mouse, and lastly we have this adorable strawberry festive snowman. The next category is decorations, and to start we have this lovely pillow, a cute strawberry hanging garland, 2 very pretty strawberry cake tissue box covers. We also have these 2 very handy baskets, and then these super sweet blankets. The next category is accessories, and there are a lot of functional patterns in this one. First we have these 2 strawberry themed earrings, which are both very pretty. And we also have these 2 strawberry coasters, which are very different but both very cute. This strawberry coffee cup cozy is super useful for hot drinks. This dish scrubby is so cute and would make washing dishes a lot more fun. We have these 2 different book covers or book sleeves. And lastly, we have this hanging strawberry car accessory. Up next, we have clothing, and if you have cats, there's a couple of things in here for them at the end. First, we have this really cool strawberry bucket hat, and we have another one which has cat ears. This beret is adorable, and I love this headband. Next, we have a set of baby clothes, and I think that any of these would make a really nice gift. This vest is super cute and it's by Hey Crochet. And this strawberry bunny jumper is by This Very Maid. I love this Pinterest inspired strawberry cardigan and these strawberry fingerless gloves. To finish off this category we have a couple of clothing items for cats, which are both super adorable. Our next category is bags and pouches. We have a super cute granny square bag, a big strawberry tote, a mini version, a backpack, and a water bottle holder. I love this strawberry AirPod pouch, I think it's adorable. We also have these bag charms, and the lid is removable so you can store small things in them. And lastly we have lots of drawstring bags and pouches. These are all super cute and also really useful. For the final category, we're going to be looking at tapestries. And for these, all you need to do is 1 single crochet for each pixel in the grid. This first chart is one of my favourites. It's definitely very aesthetic. We have some more cute strawberry prints, and a few more basic charts, but I think that they would work up really well. We have some strawberry food themed charts, and finally we have some animal themed ones too. Last but definitely not least, we have this cute little frog wearing a strawberry hat. And if there's any pattern in this video that I'm going to make, it will absolutely be this one. I think I'm going to turn it into a tiny pillow. So if that's something that you want to see, then make sure you're following me over on Instagram so you don't miss it. Those were all of the patterns that I found. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to make. And make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss another pattern video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.